Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am here clearly with a Halloween tutorial, but y'all already know what to do. Make sure you guys continue to watch to see how I achieve this look. Let me just conceal my eyebrows right quick. I'm gonna use my Milk makeup hydrating primer, and I low-key didn't want to use my expensive makeup for this, but it's the only primer so far that fills in all of my fine lines, and I don't have to worry about creasing. I'm just gonna set this with this. So for foundation, I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Golden Tan. I'm using this bronzer from Black Radiance in the shade Warm Hazelnut. I'm gonna overdo my contour. Yeah, see how it's going on gray. That's what we want. This is a Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I am using this red down here at the bottom, and I'm just gonna trace out the shape of my eye. I stop here and line my lash line and my waterline. I did it so backwards. My waterline and my lash line with some black eyeliner. I'm gonna take a E27 and go back into the red, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Maybe not take it all the way over there though, because that was not a part of the plan. I'm gonna take this face paint palette from Bo Buggles Pro Paint, and I'm gonna fill in the red circles that we put down. Let's draw. I'm gonna go ahead and sketch out my mouth. This don't even have to be perfect because you're gonna have to blend it out too with eyeshadow, but you wanna give yourself enough room to blend. Y'all get what I'm saying? Because now the black's going to be a little down further over here. So I'm gonna have to bring this one down too because of that. I hope that made sense, but you just wanna make sure you give yourself enough room to do the blending. You can use any matte black eyeshadow you have, but I'm using this one from the 39A palette. So I just put the glue on my lashes, and while I'm waiting for that glue to kind of dry, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my mouth. Just going back into the red. I'm trying to take this fake blood. It's kind of clumpy, and I have this little sponge, but I just cut it into quarters because I don't really need to use the entire thing. And we are just gonna apply this all around the red. I'm gonna take this wax. It's literally just wax. It's not the little fake skin stuff, but we're gonna use it as that. It's the iMagic Professional Cosmetics Plasto Wax, and I'm gonna dig some out and make a fake scar right here on my forehead. Oh yes, girl. I'm gonna take some purple eyeshadow. Y'all, oh, y'all. What's Tyler Perry? He tired me because. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope it wasn't too difficult. I think it's a really easy Halloween look because it's kind of time consuming, but you can literally mess this look up and nobody will notice it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, make sure you guys tag me in on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.